Good day, culinarians. Today I'm going to show you how to make an American style omelet. Okay, make an American style omelet. First thing I did was I cut up my ham to a brunoise cut, nice small fine cut. So I did brunoise cut on my ham. With the American omelet, we're going to do 2 eggs. Remember, crack it on a flat surface. If you happen to get a shell in there, so I got a shell right in there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the egg and use the egg to get the shell out. If you use your fingers or your fork, a lot of times you put your hands in the eggs, it'll swim away from you. If you use an eggshell is something natural, so it adheres to where the egg came from. So you just take your shell, scoop it in there, pick up the little shell in there, take it out. Easiest way to get a shell out of egg. So if you accidentally get a shell in there, use the shell of the egg to get the shell out from your mixture. So I'm going to scramble up my eggs. Remember, I'm going to incorporate them. So the yellow and the white is thoroughly mixed because I don't want any of the white dots on my omelet when I go to make my omelet. So I start heating up my pan. And of course, I'm doing this to incorporate the yellow and white together, and I'm also doing it to get some air incorporated into it. Incorporate some of that air in there and makes that omelet a little bit more fluffier. Now, a lot of people put cream or water or something in here. Can you do that? Yeah, you can do that. Especially a lot of chefs like putting a little milk in there. A lot of chefs say that makes it more fluffier of an omelet. Basically, what that does is add more ingredients to it to make it a larger omelet. So if you're using smaller eggs, you end up with more product. So I kind of like the flavor of the egg. So I'm just going with straight eggs in there. I got my butter in here. Remember, there's a lot of moisture in this ham, so it might splatter on you. Careful of that. So I'm going to cook my ham just like I cooked it when I made the French omelet. So I cook my ham up. I flip it in the pan, just incorporate it so it gets hot all over, so it cooks all over, just like flipping the egg. Put my eggs right in there. Now remember, I'll put my spatula in there, kind of lift the eggs up so you get some of that liquid egg underneath the cooked egg. Now I got the liquid eggs underneath the cooked egg. And I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the eggs over easy. I'm going to flip it. It looks like it might stick a little bit, so I'm going to incorporate just a little butter around here. Remember, when you're going to cook with this, it's easier to add butter to it than take it away. So it doesn't look like it's going to stick. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to finish cooking it here. Flip it back. Nice and cooked. Flip it back over. And then with the American omelet, I'm just going to lay it about center of the plate and just fold it right over. Once I fold it right over, the curvature of that omelet fits perfectly within that plate now. Now you have a whole nother section over here where you can put your garnish, put some fruit garnish, hash browns, whatever you want to do, put it over on this side. So that's your American omelet. Thank you.